Hi, I am Nina. Today we are going to learn to count from 1 to 10. Let's go! This is number 1. 1 star. This is number 2. 2 bowls. This is a number 3. 3 dogs. This is a number 4. 4 flowers. This is a number 5. 5 dinosaurs. This is a number 6. 6 clouds. This is a number 7. 7 birds. This is a number 8. 8 bears. This is a number 9. 9 butterflies. And this is a number 10. 10 ducklings. Now that we have learned the numbers, let's repeat them more slowly. 1. 1 star. 2. 1, 2, 2 bowls. 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 dogs. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 flowers. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 dinosaurs. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 clouds. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 birds. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 bears. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 butterflies. Number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 ducklings. Ask your mommy to let you play with me again tomorrow. See you. Bye.